Welcome to the Introduction to Tickle Scripting in Visual Designer Studio video, part of the Altera Quartus Prime Pro Edition software version 25.3. From here on, we will refer to it as VDS. In this video, we will delve into how VDS utilizes tickle scripting to simplify complex design tasks, providing both flexibility and precision in the creation and management of systems. The Visual Designer Studio is an innovative tool in FPGA design, offering a blend of intuitive graphical interfaces and robust tickle scripting capabilities. By harnessing automation through scripts, you will efficiently manage complex systems and streamline your workflow. The VDS has a tickle console that lets you interact directly with the design environment. When you do things in the GUI, like adding IPs or making connections, the tickle console shows the same actions as tickle commands. This feature helps you automate tasks and manage your design accurately. Additionally, the Tickle History tab keeps a list of all the tickle commands you have used, so you can easily track your work. The Tickle Helper tab helps you to copy and reuse design elements using tickle commands, making your work faster and more efficient. Now, let's talk about how to create and set up systems using tickle commands. This method gives you great control over your design, allowing you to automate tasks like creating, opening, saving, closing, and deleting systems. Automating these tasks saves time and reduces manual work. You can also use the tickle commands to add IPs and change their settings, ensuring your design is accurate and meets your needs. By using tickle scripting, you can make sure your design is consistent and tailored to your specific requirements. The VDS also supports system referencing, which allows you to add previously created systems to the current design as subsystems. This feature is useful for reusing systems, enhancing flexibility and efficiency. Connecting interfaces in VDS is straightforward, using a few key commands. The Connect Interface Net command allows you to link complex interfaces such as Avalon or AXI by specifying source and destination ports. For single-pin interfaces like clocks and resets, the Connect Pin command provides a simple way to establish connections. These commands enable efficient creation of multiple connections through the tickle console. Additionally, VDS allows you to export interfaces for use as external ports in your design. The Export Interface Pin command lets you specify an interface and assign a custom name, creating external interfaces that can be accessed from outside your design. For single-pin signals such as clocks and resets, the Export Pin command ensures you can properly expose these critical signals as external connections. By leveraging these tickle scripting features, you can efficiently manage interface connections, providing precise control over your system architecture. As you complete your design, tickle scripting becomes essential, particularly for memory-mapped systems. You will need to assign base addresses for each IP connected through a data bus, which can be efficiently managed using tickle commands. While the Address Map Viewer provides a visual representation of the memory space, you can directly configure start addresses through tickle commands, ensuring precise memory allocation and seamless integration into your design workflow. Similarly, tools like the Interrupt Editor have tickle command equivalents that allow you to specify interrupt vectors and construct complete systems using scripting alone. When your design is ready for implementation, you can generate system files using tickle commands, just as you would through the system generation window, with the flexibility to choose your preferred HDL output language, either Verilog or VHDL. One of the VDS most powerful features is the ability to export your complete designs as tickle scripts, enabling design replication and sharing. To export your design, simply access the export tickle function from the BDS interface, which generates a complete script that serves as both documentation and recreation tool. The export tickle feature captures your entire system configuration, including all IP instances, connections, parameter settings, and interface exports into a comprehensive tickle script file. Additionally, you can save your work directly from the tickle console by right-clicking and selecting either Save All to File or Save Commands to File from the context menu. This allows you to capture your interactive tickle session and preserve your command sequence for future use. Recreating a system from an export tickle file is equally straightforward. You can execute the entire script directly from the BDS tickle console or run it through the Quartus shell, automatically rebuilding your system with identical configurations in any target project. This capability is invaluable for design iteration. In this final section, let's summarize the key tickle scripting features that make BDS a powerful tool for FPGA design. The tickle console integration allows for direct interaction with the BDS environment, reflecting GUI actions as tickle commands in real time with console saving options. This capability is central to automating system creation, configuration, and management, streamlining repetitive tasks and enhancing workflow efficiency. BDS offers a comprehensive command set, providing a concise library of tickle commands for managing IPs, interfaces, and system settings. This flexibility enables you to customize and optimize your designs through scripting. A standout feature is BDS design reusability capabilities. You can export complete designs as tickle scripts using the export tickle function, or save your interactive work directly from the tickle console. Through tickle scripting, you can recreate an existing system in a completely different Quartus project, making it easy to port designs across projects or establish consistent system architectures in new developments. These exported scripts can be version controlled, shared with team members, or used as templates for future projects, making BDS an ideal platform for establishing consistent, repeatable design workflows. These features collectively empower you to leverage tickle scripting for enhanced productivity, design reliability, and innovation in FPGA design across your entire project portfolio. This concludes our introduction to tickle scripting in Visual Designer Studio. For more information, visit our website. We hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.